Optimism is one of the very important ingredients when you want to pursue anything in life. It could be about business, it could be in a relationship, it could be about anything else. Because when you're expecting to win in the end, is what will give you the reason to do what you're doing now. And this is why Zig Ziglar says, in order for one to win, one must plan to win, one must prepare to win, but above all, one must expect to win. But I say optimism merely is not enough, because one must develop an attitude which can sustain the pursuit even in the midst of adversities. We all know that always there will be unexpected setbacks. For those who know Murphy's Law, it says that if anything can go wrong, it will go wrong. One of the very important stories which I learned from this book, How Successful People Think, this book is written by John C. Maxwell, is about the company Merck. It is said that in one of the moments, this company was developing medicine to cure blindness for people in developing countries. But on the process, they came to realize that those people who needed this medicine were not able to afford this medicine. So I assume now they had to go through a lot of meetings to discuss what to do about it. But in the end, they decided to give all of the medicines away for free to all the people who needed that medicine. And in one of the speeches, George Merck, who was the founder of this message, he gave one speech, and I would like to read it for you. It said, "We try to remember that medicine is for the patient. We try never to forget that medicine is for the people. It is not for the profits. The profits follow, and if we have remembered that, they have never failed to appear." Now, this is my biggest point, that one must not only have optimism, but you must also have some sort of an attitude which will define your core values. And it is these values which will keep you on the core even when what you're expecting will start to shift sideways. Because there has been so many people who have been merely optimistic, but as soon as they saw the first sign of defeat, this is the moment that everything was set to ruin. And it is my prayer, it is my hope, and it is my wish that you develop not only the optimism, but an attitude which will help you sustain even in the midst of difficult moments. Thank you so much for listening, and I wish you a wonderful time. Bye-bye.